Is that Naveen? Woohoo! I like.
حبيبي 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 كل حبيبي 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 يلا حبيبي.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, in this video I will be watching a song by my fave Dabzi. What is happening, huh? So many songs by him. Yes, keep them coming guys, keep them coming. And also there's another artist, Ribbon Richard. Now the last, I don't even recall, like the last Ribbon Richard song that I reacted to was what? Chekutan? That was what, eons ago? So this song is called Habibi Drip and it also stars Naveen Pauly, and there is a special appearance by Richa Ravi Sinha, and I have no idea what is the context of this song, why the song has suddenly dropped out of nowhere. It's been a while. This dropped on, like, it's been like 10 odd days, 11 days since its release. So I'm late as usual. But so lyrics and vocals are by Dabzi. Oh, so lyrics and vocals are by Dabzi, and it's arranged, like music is produced by Ribbon. So okay, got it. I don't want to delay this any further. Let's watch Habibi Drip. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. I wish there were subtitles also.
حبيبي انت حبيبي من النوم حبيبي كلفك كتر حبيبي بيسا حبيبي هلاك للك بدارة.
Is that Naveen? Woohoo! I don't like that jacket, but still.
حبيبي حبيبي كل حبيبي 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 يلا حبيبي.
I'm sorry, I'm pausing. How did this happen? Like, how did this drop out of nowhere? Guys, I want to know.
Why
no subtitles? I just love Dabzi's voice so much. The drip, all the drip. It's a flex song. I feel it's a flex song because that's what the video is suggesting. I like him with the mullet. For some reason, I'm liking him with the mullet.
حبيبي 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 كل حبيبي 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 يلا حبيبي.
In certain angles, she looks like Jacqueline for some reason.
حبيبي كل حبيبي 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 حبيبي
حبيبي حبيبي حبيبي كل حبيبي 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 يلا حبيبي.
I like the sound design, like the sound engineering. Oh, it's him only. Can we have? Rajat Dev. I feel this is a flex song. This was enjoyable. I like this. This was fun. This was fun. I'm gonna give this video a like, obviously. Firstly, can we have such ad hoc songs suddenly appearing out of nowhere with Malayalam actors and actresses? Why not? Why not? This is so much fun. Like, if there is any context, you let me know. But I think this dropped out of nowhere. This is what I feel, because I think that I'm always quite up to date with what's happening in the industry, because I mean, a lot of you guys only update me, so I feel that I'm up to date. Like, I feel, okay, this teaser is coming, okay, this is supposed to release, this is re-releasing, song is coming out, glimpse is coming out, trailer is out, so I know you guys always keep me informed. But this one, I had no idea. So when this dropped, I already knew that this was dropped. So that day, people informed me that, okay, this has dropped. But I was not getting time. Like, this was on my reaction list for some time. So I'm not as late. I feel that I'm still early, like 11 days. Not too late.
ये क्या बात करता है यार?
It's still late. Anyway, but this was enjoyable. Firstly, I love the music. Ribbon did a good job, okay? But the biggest pull for me here, surprisingly, the biggest pull for me here is not Niveen. It's Dabzi. It's my fave bro, Dabzi. Because I was introduced to him as a rapper, which he raps really well. There's no doubt about that. Like, not even like 0.01% doubt. But when he's doing these melodic drops now, I am loving it. I cannot even tell you how many times I have now listened to Balata Jate. Huh? That part is my favorite. I cannot get over it. It's so good. And then in Alif also, those melodic parts, that melodic hook was so good. And here also, what is going on, huh, Dabzi? I am loving it. He needs to make more bangers. I'm living for Dabzi content in 2024. Illuminati. Like, bro is on fire. This is great. I'm so happy for him. I'm really happy for him. I hope he makes... I like the variety of songs that he's kind of putting out. I love it. So, and Niveen, like I said, can we have these ad hoc songs coming out with all the actors, like, from time and again? Every month we should have one actor having one song like this. Random. Completely random. So the video was very well produced. Okay, it was just like everybody dancing and great sets and outfits. So it was like something that we are used to, but it was well produced. I mean, they put in quite a bit of money there. So great to see Niveen. Loved it. And but Dabzi, that's like my own... I'm sorry, because of my voice is also... I'm still recovering. This is what is happening. I'm saying, for me, Dabzi is my pull. Like, I am getting pulled to the song because of Dabzi. And I think the beginning of the song, I really loved the instrumental that plays in the beginning. That was really nice. So enjoyable, fun. And the only thing, again, I wish it had the subtitles, though I feel it's like a flex song. I mean, they're literally showing the drip, money and this and that, cars, Lambo. Come on. So yeah, not very difficult to guess what the song is about. But I would have still loved to have the subtitles. But you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I had a good time listening to it, huh? So, but it's not Balata Jati. That song is different. That is another level, guys. That is another level. But this is also enjoyable. So yes, that was my reaction. Those were my thoughts. I'm gonna sign off now from this video. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.